Alrighty, here we go. Holy shit, I thought this was FedEx. I was gonna say, holy crap, trading that low. Let's do the review. Oh wow, I traded a lot lower. I said 148. Traded FedEx. Let's bring it up. A few different trades. I went long for a really short. In my head, it was a scalp, but for the most part, traded it short. Let's go over it. Here we go. So, FedEx gapping down a shitload. Didn't really take anything before here seriously, just because there's no volume. But we're pretty much trending, I would say trading down / in a range. So we're like making lower highs towards the open and we're selling off. So that's how I was looking at it. So I want to get short. And on the open, I put a limit order in here for, I think it was 100 shares, or maybe it was 75. I didn't get filled on all of them. To go short at VWAP and all the moving averages, and my stop would have been if it just broke above this this level. So when the market opened, we were trading right here for this whole entire minute. We didn't move at all. This wick just appeared on my screen. This right here appeared on the screen, and I was filled for, I think it was like 60% of the shares I had. So that was great. So I was immediately pretty much, I didn't get full size. If I was full size, I would have been way more than 2 to 1. I would have been 3 or 4 to 1, but since I got like half size, I took a partial here. This was I was at 2R unrealized. So I took a partial. And I was watching this, how it was treating this level. Once we came up here, we tested the moving average and just got slammed down. I said, okay, I'm taking this short. This was a shitty entry. I really could have got better entry a few times, but I did jump at it. But whatever, that's besides the point. I could have gotten a better entry here. That's one thing I could have done better. So we came down 151, 25. I took a partial 151, and then 150, 50. And this 151 / 151, 150, 50 / 151 was just, I was never like confident, you know, it was just fighting it over and over and over again. So it came back against me. I got stopped out here. This is like a 4R winner at this point. And so we made a higher low, but it didn't really count for anything. So I'm back in short here because lower highs, they can't break a high, they can't make a new high. Another one of these. So I get short here for the break of this 151. And it just cannot break 151. It does for a second, it gets bought right back up. So I get out and I go long here. And this was, I'm not even mad with this. I don't think this is a bad idea. It just doesn't fit how I trade at all. You know, like I'm trading into all the moving averages. Like I said, it's not bad. It's not a bad trade, but it just doesn't fit how I trade, which, you know, you want to stick to your style and how you trade, obviously. So it pops up, and I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to take half at VWAP. We don't get there. We come right back down. Once I see this candle here, I get pretty skeptical. I get out and I lose $11. And I immediately change it to a short because this is at 151. Usually when it was hitting 151, it's bouncing right away. And it hit 151 and it didn't bounce anywhere. It just sat there. So I thought, okay, it's going to break down. So I took it short, added to my position for the break a lower day. This was close to stopping me out. My stop was above this candle. I don't want to give back too much money. So, see, it sells off a lot here, but at no point at all in the entire day did I really have faith. Like, did I have a strong conviction in this trade working? So I got out half, 2/3 here, and then I got all out here for a plus 6R day. I made a trade in my P&L a little bit because I definitely could have held on to some. There's no reason to think it's turning around other than the whole time it was trading back here it was weak. or it didn't feel as weak as it didn't seem as weak to me as it does looking at the tape now. It's just, I always felt like it was going to turn around. But yeah, those are my only trades. Lost 0.2R on the long, and on the short side I made 6R. So definitely left a little bit on the table, but I feel I overall traded it pretty well. Maybe a couple small improvements here and there I could have made, and I probably could have put in for a bigger size here, but I wouldn't have got filled anyway. But I could have placed a bigger order, I think. Yeah, alright, thanks. See you tomorrow.